Good day, everyone. Happy New Year to every one of you. So now I will discuss to you the answers for our assignment. So yung sa face-to-face na class, nakapag-discuss kami from journalizing, posting, and up to the unadjusted trial balance. So let's proceed. Now we have here our transactions, which is a business concern, or service concern, yung ating type of business. And then we also have our chart of accounts. So para hindi kayo nalilito at hindi kayo mag-iimbento ng sarili ninyong account titles. So we have here, okay, ito yung ating general journal. Ganito talaga yung mukha ng ating general journal. So given ito sa inyong assessment. So let's start with the first transaction. Mr. Dexter Bisinan invested cash in the business amounting to 150,000. So again, ang first step sa accounting is to analyze what is the debit, what is the credit. So ano yung pumasok sa business? Of course, the cash that is invested. So debit tayo ng cash, which is nandito sa ating chart of accounts. Yung code niya is 001. So punta tayo din sa ating general journal. Okay? So debit tayo ng cash kasi ito yung pumasok sa business. And then, itong F na to, ito yung code. So ito yung ilalagay natin sa ating sa folio natin. Ibig sabihin ito yung code ng account title na yon. And then, lagay natin tong 150,000 sa debit side. And then, credit yung lumabas sa business. Again, walang lumabas sa business. Pero na-analyze natin na nagkaroon tayo ng capital. So, capital is nandito. 010. Okay? So, credit tayo ng Bisinan capital. Again, pag nag-entry tayo, dapat meron tayong space. Before natin ilagay yung credit. And then, lagay natin yung kanyang code. And then, dito sa credit, 150,000. Make sure na hindi kayo nalilito pag naglalagay ng amount. So, aside from this debit and credit, dapat meron din tayo nitong to record investment by the owner. Okay, so trial yan kasi nga binigay ko siya para makita nyo kung ano yung dapat ilagay natin dito sa format ng ating general journal. So let's proceed with a number 2. So number 2, rendered service to a client on account 4,000. Ibig sabihin, nag-render tayo ng service sa kliyente natin, pero hindi pa tayo nakakakuha ng bayad. So ibig sabihin, receivable pa yon. So, receivable is an asset. So, walang pumasok sa business, pero na-analyze natin na nagkaroon tayo ng receivable. So, debit tayo ng accounts receivable. Okay? Debit tayo ng accounts receivable. And then, ano ba yung lumabas? Again, walang lumabas sa business, pero nagkaroon tayo ng income. So, again, So again, kung maalala nyo, yung sinasabi kong ADE and leak. So, yung normal balances ng ating assets, drawings, and expenses, ito is nasa debit. So, pag nilagay natin sila sa debit, ibig sabihin, tumataas yung kanilang value. Dito naman sa credit side, si liabilities, income, and capital. So, kapag naka-credit sila, tumataas yung value nila. Pero pag itong si leak, nilagay mo siya sa debit side, ibig sabihin yan, bumababa yung value ng leak. At the same time, kung si ADE naman, nilagay mo sa credit, bababa din yung amount niya. So, again, balik tayo dito sa ating transaction. Walang lumabas sa business. So, yung ilalagay natin sa credit natin is income kasi nga na-analyze natin na hindi tayo naka-receive ng pera pero nakapag-render tayo ng service, ibig sabihin income yun. So, si income is nasa credit side. Kaya yung credit natin dito, balik tayo sa chart of accounts. Eto, service revenue. So, yan yung account title na gagamitin natin. So, credit tayo ng service. Okay? Service revenue. So, yung code natin is 2 and 011. So, yung amount that is 4,000. So, lagay natin dito is 4,000. So, dapat sundin talaga natin yung mga linya. Okay? That is 4,000. So, debit 4,000 and credit na 4,000. So, next, to record what? Service rendered on account. Pwede na yan. Okay, so third, proceed tayo sa ating third transaction. We have both computer on account. So, ibig sabihin, bumili daw ng computer. Pag sinabing on account, inutang. So, tayo yung bumili, tayo yung umutang. So, ano yung pumasok sa business? Again, pag bumili tayo, syempre, yung binili natin na computer, yun yung pumasok sa business. So, ano ba dito? Okay, office equipment. Yan yung gagamitin natin na account. Title, office equipment. And then, since walang lumabas sa business kasi nga inutang, ibig sabihin nagkaroon tayo ng liabilities. Kung maalala nyo, si credit side, si liabilities nasa credit side. So, ibig sabihin, utang yan. So, yung gagamitin natin account title is accounts payable. So, debit tayo. Okay? Debit tayo ng office equipment and then credit tayo ng accounts payable. So, yung code is 004 and 006. Okay? 04 and 006. So, yung amount, that is 40,000. Ay. Oh, that is 40,000. So, copy lang natin, ano? 40,000. Yan. To record. To record purchase of computer on account. So, ganyan yung mga ano natin, yung mga to record natin or yung description ng ating entry. Kasi nga, para maintindihan ng babasa kahit hindi siya accounting. Ano? So, next natin, we have here, Dexter Bisinan withdrew cash for 5,000. So, nag-withdraw siya ng 5,000 sa business. So, ano yung pumasok? Debit. Okay, walang pumasok. Ano? Walang pumasok sa business. Pero, nagkaroon tayo ng drawings. Si drawings nasa debit side. So, ibig sabihin, no, debit natin, Bisinan, drawings. And then, ano yung lumabas sa business? Syempre, nag-withdraw tayo ng cash sa business. So, lalabas yung cash. So, credit tayo ng cash dyan. Okay, so, again, debit tayo ng Bisinan drawings. And then, lumabas yung cash in the amount of, ano ba yun? 5,000. And then, 010. Okay, mali pala. Okay. And then dito, so dapat dito pala is 0. Wait a minute. Saan na yun? Capital is 009. Okay. So, yung amount natin, again, is 5,000. So, lagay natin yung 5,000 dito. So, yan. Again, to record withdrawal by the owner. Okay, yan. To record withdrawal by the owner. Next, 5 natin. Fifth transaction, paid office rental for the month. 1,000. Okay, so nagbayad tayo ng renta for the month. Office rental. So, saan ba yung rental natin dito? Okay. Rent expense. So, that is an expense. Expense is nasa debit side. And then, since nagbayad tayo, lumabas yung cash sa atin. So, debit tayo ng cash. And then, credit tayo ng, debit tayo ng rent expense. And then, credit tayo ng cash. Okay? So, 012 and then 001. Yung amount natin is 1,000. So, to record natin, to record payment of office rental. So, pwede na yan. And then, next, 6, partial payment of account. Okay, magbabayad daw tayo ng utang natin. Saan ba tayo nagkaroon ng utang? So, dito sa number 3 na meron tayong utang. So, babayaran natin yan partially 3,000. So, again, ano yung pumasok? Again, walang pumasok sa business. Pero, na-analyze natin na mababawasan yung utang natin. So, si utang or si liabilities nasa credit side. So, para bawasan yung utang, i-debit natin siya. So, debit tayo ng accounts payable and then yung lumabas sa business is cash. So, credit tayo ng cash. So, debit tayo ng accounts payable and then credit tayo ng cash. Okay. 006 and then 001. Yung amount natin is 3,000. So, to record partial payment of account. So, pwede nyong gayahin yung sinasabi ng transaction. Hindi kailangan kayo mag-isip ng mga wordings nyo. So, let's proceed with number 7. Dexter Bisinan invested office table. So, because of this word invested, ibig sabihin capital to kasi investment ni Bisinan. So, ano yung pumasok sa business? Again, may pumasok na office table. Pero yung gagamitin natin dyan na account is furniture and fixtures. Okay, so debit tayo ng furnitures and fixtures and then since investment yan, so capital yan. So debit tayo ng furniture and fixtures, credit tayo ng Bisinan capital. So furniture and fixtures and then Bisinan capital. Ayan. Yung code 005 and then 10,000. Magkano yun? 10,000. Okay. Make sure na hindi kayo magkakamali dito sa mga amounts. Kasi, pag nagkamali kayo, mali na yan sa mga susunod na steps natin. So, again, to record investment by the owner. Pwede nang ganyan. By the owner. Next, transaction number 8. Partial collection of client's account. Ibig sabihin, nakakolekta tayo partially ng nakakollect tayo sa ating client. So, meron tayo, di ba kanina meron tayong receivables dito sa number 2. Okay, so sa number 2 meron tayong receivable. So, partially nito, na-collect natin. So, yung na-collect natin is 2,000. Laki naman. Okay, so, ano yung pumasok sa business? Again, nakakolekta tayo ng pera. So, debit tayo ng cash, 2,000. And then, credit tayo ng, okay, so, since mababawasan yung utang ni customer sa atin, so, dapat i-credit natin yung accounts receivable. Kasi accounts receivable is an asset. So, nasa debit side yan. Para mabawasan yan siya, dapat i-credit natin. So, debit tayo ng, again, debit tayo ng cash and then credit tayo ng accounts receivable. Okay, 001 and 002. Ang amount is 2,000. Okay. So, yan yung na-collect natin. To record, again, to record, collection. Okay, pwede din to record partial collection. From the client or customer. Pwede na yung ganyan. As long as naintindihan yung transaction. Okay, next, number 9. Borrowed money from a bank and issued a note. Okay, so umutang tayo ng pera sa bangko. So, ano yung pumasok sa atin? Siyempre, pag uutang ka ng pera, papasok sa'yo yung pera, debit tayo ng cash. And then, walang lumabas, pero na-analyze natin na nagkaroon tayo ng utang. And nag-issue pa talaga ng note. So, ibig sabihin, tingin tayo dito sa liabilities natin. Kapag ganyan, kapag nag-issue ng note, yung gagamitin natin na account title is notes payable. Okay? So, debit tayo ng cash. And then, credit tayo ng notes payable. So, that is 001 and 007. Magkano ba yung hiniram natin? 10,000. Okay, so 10,000 yung hiniram natin. Copy natin dito sa ating credit. Okay. To record. Pwede natin lagay to record borrowings. To record borrowings from the bank. Okay. So, pwede na yan. Next, proceed tayo. Number 10. Partial payment of account. 2,000 ulit. So, partial payment, ibig sabihin tayo yung nagbayad ng utang. Nagbayad tayo ng 2,000. So, again, debit tayo ng, nabawasan yung utang natin, debit tayo ng accounts payable. And then, credit tayo ng cash. So, again, yung folio natin, wag kakalimutan, nagbayad tayo ng 2,000. Okay, 2,000. Again, to record payment of accounts. So next, paid taxes and licenses and other assessments. 1,000. So nagbayad tayo ng taxes and licenses. Ito yan siya. So debit tayo expenses, ano? So debit tayo ng taxes and licenses and nagbayad tayo. So credit tayo ng cash for our 11th transaction. Credit tayo ng cash. So, to record tayo ng ngayon, to record payment of taxes, licenses, and other assessments. Okay. So, medyo mahaba-haba yung ating account, to record. So, 013. 013 and then 001. Yung amount niyan is 1,000. Okay, 1,000. Next, proceed tayo for number 12. Pay the bank for borrowed money. Nagbayad tayo ng pera sa bangko. Nagbayad tayo ng pera. Nagbayad tayo sa bangko para dun sa inutang natin na pera. Ganun yun. So, 10,000. So, since yung ginamit natin na account title is notes payable, so notes payable din yung gagamitin natin dito. So, debit tayo ng notes payable para bawasan yung utang, and then credit tayo ng cash kasi cash yung lumabas. So, debit notes payable, and then credit tayo ng cash. So, notes payable 007, 001. Okay, so 10,000 yung partial payment natin. Okay, so yung ating description is to record partial payment to bank or to the bank. Next natin, we have 13, received cash for service rendered. Okay, nag-render tayo ng service, 3,000, and then naka-receive tayo ng cash, net 3,000. So, debit cash. And then, since nag-render tayo ng service, so meron tayong service revenue. Okay, so, in the amount of 3,000. So, 13, debit tayo ng cash, and then credit tayo ng service revenue. Ayan. So, 001. And then, ano ba yun sa service revenue? 011. Yung amount is 3,000. To record receipt of cash for service rendered. Kayo na bahala, basta maintindihan lang ng nagbabasa. Ano? Okay, 14. Next transaction, both office supplies on account. Bumili na tayo ng office supplies pero inutang natin 5,000. Okay, so debit tayo ng office supplies. Dami namang P. Okay, 003. And then 5,000 yung ating amount. And then credit tayo ng cash. Ano ba sabi? On account. On accounts, ibig sabihin accounts payable. Yan. Accounts payable tayo, 006 of 5,000 to record purchase of office supplies on account. Okay, next. 15, malapit na tayo sa katotohanan. So, full payment of account. Yung ibig sabihin niya na account is yung office supplies. So, ibig sabihin binayaran niya na to. Itong nasa number 14. The amount of 5,000. So, ang gagawin natin para matanggal itong accounts payable, debit lang natin ito. And then, since nagbayad tayo, credit tayo ng cash. Okay, again, huwag kakalimutan ng folio. And then, itong 5,000 kasi the same lang naman yung amount. So, copy na lang din natin to record payment of account. Okay. Lastly, received cash 10,000 but services has not yet been rendered. So, naka-receive tayo ng cash pero hindi pa tayo nakapag-render ng service. Ibig sabihin nun, utang pa natin yung service. Again, naka-receive tayo ng pera pero hindi pa tayo nakapag-render ng service. Ibig sabihin, utang pa natin yung serbisyo natin. So, debit tayo ng cash, syempre naka-receive tayo, and then credit tayo ng utang. So, yung gagamitin natin na account title for liabilities is itong unearned service revenue. Okay, so yun yung gagamitin natin. So, again, debit tayo ng cash, and then credit tayo nito. So, 001, and then 008, and then yung amount is 10,000. Ayan. So, to record receipt of cash for service not yet rendered. Pwede yan, ganyan yung description natin. Okay, so eto na lahat yung ating accounts, yung ating general journal. So make sure na tama yung pagkakalagay ng mga zero para hindi tayo magkulang. Okay, so hopefully naintindihan nyo yung ating explanation one by one itong ating journalizing. Kung meron kayong mga concern at hindi naintindihan, pwede kayong mag-chat sa ating GC for bookkeeping and hopefully magkaintindihan tayo. So, the next step will be uploaded later, no? Kasi magre-record pa ako ng for next process, yung ating posting and ating unadjusted trial balance. So, thank you and God bless you all.